Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 36 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to use drop caps inside of Adobe InDesign. So drop caps are usually for designing purposes for magazine type of look. So let me just change this font so that I have a better font, magazine like font over here. Let me go back to text mode right here. And then I'm going to press something like Arial, just like this. Alright, so this is not Arial Black, so let me just go normal regular font right here, and you can see that I got Arial normal. So now what you can do is you can select the font just like this and then select drop caps. So I'm gonna select this paragraph, and now I'm going to enable drop caps. So for that, just go back to paragraph mode right here, and over here you can see the drop cap. So right now this is set to 0. Let me increase this to 1. Alright, so increase this, and you can see that now the N covers two columns just like this. Increase this and it'll column 3, 4, 5 and so forth. So now I'm going to just take 3 columns, and I can do that to multiple letters. For example, NAM, I'm going to do that to all 3. So increase this, and you can see that I have 3. And these are all actually just normal text. So you can select them out, and maybe you can do them all caps just like this and so forth. Let's say you also want to increase the gaps right here. So you can actually increase the space right here, or let's say you can increase the space right here from the sections right here. So you can see that I can actually add the spacing of the text just like this from the right side, just like that. As you can see, there you go. So this is how you can easily create drop caps inside of Adobe InDesign, and this will give you let's say unique designs. You can even change the color. Let me change the color for some unique design right here. Let me go back to text mode and select a color, and you can see that that is how the color works. So that is how you can use drop caps inside of Adobe InDesign. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.